All right, let's talk. You have poured your heart, your soul, everything into creating an amazing digital product. But now what? That's what we're going to tackle today. We are going to demystify this whole idea of a sales funnel and turn that scary, complex thing into a super simple blueprint you can actually use. So let's get into it. You know the feeling. You've done all the hard work. The product is finally finished, it's polished, it's ready, and then, bam, this wave of anxiety just hits you. The selling part. How in the world do you get this thing you've made into the hands of people who actually need it? Trust me, it's a question that every single creator asks themselves. And if you've ever felt like that, you are in a very, very good company. I mean, this quote right here, it just hits the nail on the head, doesn't it? Complicated, technical, and overwhelming. It feels like you need a degree in computer science just to sell something online. But I'm going to promise you something. It really doesn't have to be that way. So let's just call this challenge what it is. It's the huge gap between having this brilliant product and having a system that actually makes you money from it. That gap is the bridge we're going to build together today. We're going to create a clear path that takes you from creation straight to profit. You know what I'm talking about, right? You're scrolling online and you see these other entrepreneurs who seem to have these money-printing machines that turn strangers into customers 24/7, even while they're sleeping. It looks like some kind of secret magic trick. But I'm going to let you in on the secret. It's not magic at all. It's just a system. And it's a system you can learn. So it is time to pull back that curtain. The key here isn't to learn 1,000 different complicated techniques. No way. It's all about understanding one simple philosophy, a whole new way of thinking that makes everything else just click into place. And here it is. This is the big aha moment. I want you to completely forget all the complicated tech stuff for a second. Instead, think about building with Legos, or maybe following a recipe to bake a cake. You have simple, basic ingredients that you put together in the right order, and suddenly you have something incredible. That's all a sales funnel is. Okay, so let's start with the most basic piece. The individual Lego bricks themselves, or, the flour and the sugar. In the funnel world, we call these elements. An element is literally anything you can put on a web page. That headline, it's an element. A video, an element. That big Buy Now button, yep, also an element. They're just the ingredients. Simple as that. Now, what happens when you combine those ingredients? You get a recipe, right? Well, in our world, you get a page. A page is just a collection of those elements, all working together for one and only one specific goal. An opt-in page's only job is to get an email address. A sales page's only job is to make a sale. One page, one goal, that's what makes them work so well. And that brings us to the top layer. So if elements are the ingredients and pages are the individual recipes, then a funnel is just the entire meal plan. That's it. It's nothing more than a series of pages connected in a smart order to guide someone on a journey from, hey, who are you, to, wow, take my money. And here it is, the entire blueprint laid out. It's this simple. Elements are your ingredients, pages are your recipes, and funnels are your meal plan. As soon as you grasp this 3-layer idea, that feeling of being overwhelmed just kind of vanishes, and you realize, hey, I can actually build this. Okay, theory is great, but let's get practical. Now that you understand the philosophy, I'm going to give you 3 proven, time-tested recipes. This is your go-to meal plan that you can start using like this afternoon to sell your stuff. So here's a quick look at what's on the menu. We've got the lead magnet funnel, which is perfect for growing your audience. Then there's the 2-step Tripwire, which is all about making that first sale fast. And finally, the Autowebinar funnel for when you're selling your more premium, high-ticket products. Let's break them down. First up, the lead magnet. Honestly, this is the foundational recipe for pretty much any online business. Its entire purpose is to build your most valuable asset, your email list, by offering something really valuable for free. And how it works is just beautifully simple. It's just 2 pages. Page 1, the opt-in page, is where you offer a freebie, like a guide or a checklist, in exchange for an email. Then on page 2, the thank you page, you deliver that freebie, and you can even make a small introductory offer for one of your paid products. Easy, right? All right, next recipe on our list, the 2-step Tripwire. This funnel is designed for one thing and one thing only, speed. The goal is to turn a curious browser into a paying customer as fast as humanly possible, usually with a low-cost, irresistible product. Okay, the first two steps are pretty straightforward, a sales page and an order form. But check out step 3. This is where the magic really happens. Right after someone buys your cheap Tripwire product, you immediately show them a special one-time offer for your main product. Their credit card is already out. They're in buying mode. This single page can be incredibly profitable. And finally, we have the heavy hitter. This is the Autowebinar funnel. This is the recipe you use when you want to sell your more expensive premium products. We're talking anything from $97 to over $1,000. And the best part? It uses a pre-recorded presentation that runs on autopilot. This funnel basically automates a high-touch sales presentation. People register for your free training. They get a confirmation. Then they watch your value-packed presentation in a broadcast room. And when you make your offer at the end, they're sent straight to a sales page to buy. It's like having your best salesperson working for you 24/7. So there you have it. You've got the philosophy and you've got the recipes. You can see now that what looks so complicated from the outside is actually built from really simple pieces. You have the complete blueprint now. You can go from feeling stuck to feeling totally empowered, with a clear path to follow. This quote just brings it all home. Stop feeling overwhelmed by technology. Start building your empire one block at a time. It's not about being a tech wizard. It's about taking one simple action and then the next one. It's about laying down one Lego block at a time. And that's the real secret, isn't it? Remember those slick automated systems that looked like magic at the beginning? Well, they're not. They're just a simple, repeatable process. A recipe. And the good news is, you now have the recipe book. So, the only question left is the one right here on the screen. You have the ingredients. You have the recipes. You have the full meal plan. The blueprint is officially in your hands. So, what will you build first?